How many times have you looked at your phone in the last hour? Don't worry if you don't remember your answer. Your brain has recorded this for you. In 2,000 years, our attention span was 2.5 minutes. Today is 40 seconds. The attention span of a goldfish is 9 seconds. Yours may have dropped to 8 seconds. I was no different from you. Every 5 minutes while reading a book, when my hand starts to go, I realize that my brain is being reprogrammed, and this programming gives an error. Your brain actually looks like a Lamborghini, but we use it by stopping start in traffic. Today, I will give you the instruction manual of this super tool, how to save our dopamine-trapped brain, what is the secret detox system of sleep, and molecules that improve cognitive performance. Does it really work? From neuroscientific research, based on the recent studies of Harvard and Oxford, I am a viable protocol server. This video is not just information, a guide to raising the quality of life. If you're ready, we open your brain's user guide. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because this series will continue. Let's get to know the culprit first, dopamine. But don't forget, not guilty, just an out-of-control mechanism. Dopamine is not a reward molecule, actually an expectation molecule. What oscillates when you hear the notification sound is not the reward itself, an expectation of a prize. This region, called nucleus accumbens, turning your brain into a slot machine, feels like a big prize will come with every scroll. Social media engineers know this. Variable reward programs sometimes reins the brain, sometimes nothing. This uncertainty keeps dopamine at the highest level. Brain constantly exposed to high doses of dopamine goes to defense, reduces receptors. So more stimulus for the same price. The prefrontal cortex is your brain's CEO, but the limbic system, so the emotional center, has taken him prisoner. Logic fights against emotions and often loses. Cortisol levels rise in chronic stress. This shrinks the hippocampus and silences the prefrontal cortex. So your ability to learn and focus decreases. But the good news is, your brain is plastic. Thanks to neuroplasticity, you can reverse this damage. But be careful, plasticity also perpetuates bad habits. Excessive stimulation increases glutamate. This overstimulates nerve cells and leads to their death. There's a silent fire in your brain. Attention is a resource and is limited. Every notification, every scroll consumes this resource, and the brain feels this exhaustion as chronic fatigue. The default mode network works even when your brain is idle, but this system is constantly disrupted by external stimuli and can't renew itself. What we call brain sound, actually a result of inflammation and oxidative stress. Can-direct brain barrier becomes permeable and toxins enter. So what is the solution? Cleaning the brain first. Give the right fuel. First step, sleep. Now see how your brain detoxifies at night, and it will change your life. Information 2012. Dr. Michael Nedergaard discovered a cleaning system in your brain, Glymphatic System. This is a dormant broom mechanism. Astrocyte cells. These star-shaped glial cells surround the blood vessels. Through 4 channels of aquaporin, pumping out waste liquids. Awake, this system is 90% off. But during deep sleep, brain cells are shrinking and fluid flow increases by 70%. Amyloid beta protein associated with Alzheimer's discarded thanks to this system. Insufficient sleep accumulates this protein. Delta waves in deep sleep run this cleaning business. How deep you sleep, so much waste. Cleaning blue light suppresses melatonin. This reduces the quality of sleep. You should leave your phone at least an hour before. Your body temperature needs to drop to sleep. 18-19 degrees ideal. You cannot go into deep sleep in extremely hot rooms. The half-life of caffeine is 5 to 6 hours. Afternoon coffee drunk after 2 disrupts the sleep architecture. 2. In one stable sleep schedule. Dark environment, white noise, these are essential for the functioning of the glymphatic system. 2. Now it's time for fuel. We cleaned your brain. What about strengthening? This is where nootropics come in. Citicoline, or CDP. Choline increases phosphatidylcholine. Egg, red meat, and whole grains is a chemical found naturally in foods such as these. Improve mental function, used to dissolve gallstones. These substances allow your cell membranes to be repaired. Citicoline is the best form of choline absorbed by the brain, also a precursor to acetylcholine. Studies show that citicoline, especially effective in the frontal lobe, so be aware, strengthens working memory and executive functions. L-Theanine, tea leaves, and some mushrooms, naturally occurring within the species. Field is a type of amine acid. After being taken into the body, provides a relaxing effect by reducing stress, improves mental focus and sleep quality. The amine acid in tea calms the tension of caffeine, increases alpha wave activity, provides calm focus. DHA is the active ingredient in fish. Fish oil only triglycerides in the blood. Also prevents heart arrhythmias. DHA necessary for the flexibility of cell membranes. 40% of your brain is made of DHA. Fish oil or algae sources may be preferred. Magnesium threonate has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. In improving sleep quality and strengthening memory, effective. NMDA, neuronal overstimulation by blocking receptors, prevents. Creatine, not just for muscles, fills up phosphocreatine stores in the prefrontal cortex, delays mental fatigue. Low B leads to damage of the sheath of 12 myelins. Vitamin D supports neurotrophic factors. Essential vitamins should not lack. Exposure to cold raises dopamine levels for a long time. Ice baths or cold showers, effective for dopamine resetting. Exercise increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor. That means new neuron connections, especially aerobic exercise. There are prescription stimulants like modafinil, but you know the long-term effects. It's useful to prefer natural routes. So how do we put them together? Can be applied to you. 21-day brain optimization protocol, step by step. First, light in the morning in your eyes. Natural light resets the circadian rhythm, followed by water and light stretching exercises. Add L-Theanine to your coffee or just drink green tea. Ideal combination for calm focus. 52-17 rule. 52 minutes of deep focus. 17 minutes of full rest. More effective than Pomodoro. Turn your phone to grayscale. Turn off notifications. Every app is a thief of attention. No screen after 9 p.m. Blue light filter. Reading books or meditation. Dark environment is required for melatonin. How many times did I check my phone this week? My focus increased. Backward progress. Trekking once a week. Book chat. No high dopamine activity. Reset your brain. After 21 days, you will realize your book reading time will increase. Your distraction will decrease. Your brain will thank you. Check your dopamine. Optimize your sleep. Give your brain the right fuel. Try this triple cognitive superpower protocol and share the results in the comments. Subscribe because soon on sleep hygiene, an in-depth video is coming. Your brain is your most valuable asset. Take care of him. See you soon.